Hi, I'm Kevin with Scoop Analytics. Scoop is the first platform where you can simply chat with your business data in plain English and get instant insights. No SQL, no data team required. We instead give you a data scientist in a box that provides powerful visual analytics and presentation tools and offers you comprehensive business analysis and insight at your fingertips. So let's talk about how we chat with data. Now, I've loaded up a sales opportunity data set, and I want to show you that quite simply, it's given me some details about that data set, very useful if I'm unfamiliar with it. We describe what's in it, and then we actually start out with some suggestions. So frankly, I'm just going to try one of these suggestions to start with and see what happens. Now we're asking to show me total revenue by sales rep to see who my top performers are. The wonderful thing about Scoop is that we are conversationally aware of the context so that we can ask follow-up questions as we determine insights. Right now, what we're doing is actually running various assortment of AIs against the data to synthesize those insights for you. We're powered by both agentic AI and machine learning. All right, so we got a nice bar chart here of total revenue by sales rep. Now, the great thing is we don't just give the what's in the data, but also the how and the why. So you can see that Mossab outperformed by closing 6.9 million in revenue. And then we can see our lower numbers as well. And these are interactive charts. Let's see what Scoop suggests as we follow up with. So now we're asking to show the win rate by sales rep to see if high revenue correlates with closing efficiency. Seems like a sensible follow-up. Excellent. So we can actually see that by closing efficiency, Heidi is well in the lead. And we can actually find information about why that is too. Heidi achieved an exceptional 66.67% win rate despite handling only 3 opportunities. However, it seems that those with larger opportunities might trend lower, where those with somewhere in the middle actually maintain very solid, but not necessarily exceptional win rates. Now, once we've generated a chart that we find interesting, we can go ahead and open that in Explorer, and we can take a look at that. And so we can add filters, we can modify the data, we can change the metrics, we can modify the style and colors, we can add various legends and grid lines and tooltips. So you have complete control over how your data is presented. And then once you've gotten something you liked, you can save that, and then we can pull that into what we call a canvas. Now, Canvas essentially is a presentation. You can upload your own slides or sync these with Google Sheets. You can see we have some AI-built presentations, but let's just show you a particularly pretty one that we've built. Here you can see that we have this infinite canvas space where you can add as many slides as you need, including all your insights and information. And again, using our artificial intelligence, we can automatically build things like executive summaries and get you the information that you need at your fingertips to present to your colleagues. Now, when it comes to data, we can connect to quite an assorted number of data sets. So we can upload files directly, such as Excel or CSV. We can connect to Salesforce or Google Sheets. We can connect to HubSpot, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Airtable. So that's Scoop Analytics, transforming how business analyzes data so that you can create professional insights when you need them in a timely fashion, giving you the how and the why and not just the what, where, and when. Thank you.